Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Then we're back with our brother Abdullah, and we're going to go over the fifth lesson. The fifth lesson did not add any new letters or diacritical marks, but rather it began to use the letters that we already had and make them into words and put the words into short sentences. And so what we had here is we had laka, which means you have, you are li. If we start in the English, we say li, I have, laka, you have, lucky, you to a female singular, lahu, he has, laha, she has, lana, we have, lakum, you plural have, lakunna, you plural feminine have, lahum, they have masculine, and lahunna, they have feminine. Did you have any issues with this at all,
No,
Abdullah?
no issues.
Once you memorize this chart, a lot of things are going to be easy from here on out, you know?
Yeah, I memorized
Uh,
this, so it made a big difference for sure.
yeah. Okay, so let's look at our homework. It says translate into Arabic. How would I say she has?
Laha,
Laha. I'm going to write it here and then erase it. Laha. Okay, we have
Lana,
lana. Jazakallah khairan. Thou hast, or you, female, to a singular
Laki,
female. Lucky, exactly. Lucky. They, masculine, have.
Lahum,
Lahum. MashaAllah. You're doing great. He has.
Lahu,
Lahu. Okay, you, masculine, have.
Laka,
Exactly. They, feminine.
Lahuna,
Lahunna. Exactly. I have.
Li,
Li. And you, plural feminine, have.
wait, oh,
You.
yeah, la, we skipped one. I think we skipped. You have masculine. That's what
Okay,
threw
you
me off.
have masculine. You, that's plural. You,
La-
masculine.
Lakum, Lakum,
Lakum. Mm-hmm. And then feminine.
Lakuna.
Lakunna. Exactly. MashaAllah. So, uh, seems that you're getting it. And like I said, these simple things right here might be a little hard at first, but once you get it, and especially having these charts with if you memorize this E and K and Ki and Hu and Ha, you're going to be able to add that stuff on to a lot of other words. And it's going to be the I, you, he, she, and all that. And stuff is going to be so much easier in the future, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Tayyib. It says here, read and translate. Read the Arabic and translate. Read number one and then translate it for us.
Li Beitun Walaka Beitun. I have a house and he has and you have a house.
You have a house. Yeah,
Or
you masculine have a house. Yep. Number two,
Lana Beitun Kabirun. Uh, we have a big house.
yeah. Kabirun. Make this long. Kabirun. Lana Beitun Kabirun. Because
Kabirun.
it's a long vowel. You did it right, but you stuttered a little bit. I just want you to not pick up a bad habit like I did, where you kind of don't make it long or put it where it shouldn't be or something like that. So Beitun Kabirun. Tayyib. Number three,
Lahu um, Kalbun Kabirun wa uh, Laha Kalbun. Um, wait, Yeah, Kalbun. Kalbun. Was
You just read it twice already. You read it here and you read
oh
it here.
Kabirun. Yeah, I don't know why it threw me off. Yeah,
Kabiron.
looking at the Kalb Kabirun. Just yeah.
No,
Okay.
no.
Um,
Lahu kalbun kabirun walaha kalbun
he
kabirun.
has a big dog and she has a big dog.
Exactly. Number 4.
Kab. Wait. Oh, I was looking left to right. My bad. You got some. I was like, wait, where's number 4? Lahum, Kalbun, Saminun, Wa
Saminun.
Saminun, Wa Lahuna, Kalbun, Saminun,
Yes.
Saminun.
Yep.
They have a big dog, or they have a fat dog, and they have a fat dog, masculine,
Yeah.
feminine.
They have a fat dog and they have a fat dog. They masculine and they feminine. And remember, everybody who might be watching this, and you remember yourself, Abdullah, that you don't even know all the alphabets yet. You know, you're
Yeah.
just working with about half of everything. And so you're already reading things and making sentences.
Yes.
Number 5.
Lana Bustanun Kabur I don't know, I keep messing that one up. Bustanun, Kabirun,
Kabirun.
Wa
Kabirun. Like if we wrote it like this, Kabirun. Lana Bustanun Kabirun. You follow me?
Yep. Bustanun, Kabirun, Wa Lahum, Kalbun,
No, not
Kabir,
Kelbun.
or
Read this.
Karm,
Karmun.
Karmun,
Kabirun.
Kabirun.
Kabirun. Naam.
We have a big garden, and they have a big vineyard.
Big vineyard. Exactly. Number 6.
Lana Karm.
No,
Karm.
not Lena.
Oh,
Not Lena.
yeah, Laha. Sorry, Laha
No problem.
Karmun. Wa Lahu Bustanun.
Yep.
She has a vineyard and he has a garden.
Exactly. Excellent, man. Number 7.
Laka Bustanun, Kabirun, Wa Karm, Kabirun.
No.
He has, or you have,
Leka.
you
There
have
you
a
go.
big garden and big vineyard.
Exactly. Exactly. Number 8.
Karmun Wa Bustanun, garden or vineyard and garden.
A vineyard and a garden. Yep. Number 9.
Beitun Wa Karm, garden or a house and vineyard.
A house and a vineyard. Yep. Number 10.
Laha Kitabun. Oh, where'd it go? Laha Kitabun Kabirun Wa Li Kitabun Kabirun.
Yep.
She has a big book and I have a big book.
Nice. And I'll give you a big book of good deeds on dead judgment. Number 11. I mean,
Lakum kitabun wa lahum kitabun. Um, he has a big book. He has a book.
lakum, lakum,
Lakum is he or you have a
you
book.
have plural. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Lakum kitabun walahum.
they have a book. You have a
Yep,
book and they have a book.
exactly. Number 12.
Lana Tharun Saminun wa
Saminun.
Saminun wa Lakuna Tharun Saminun.
No.
We have a fat ox and you have a fat ox.
Yeah. Talking to a group of women. Yeah. Lana thawrun saminun. Walakunna thawrun saminun. Number 13.
Lahu Tharun wa Laka Tharun wa Kalbun.
No.
He has a ox and you have an ox and a dog.
Yep. He has an ox and you have an ox and a dog. So just go over the vocabulary and then we got a paragraph or a number of sentences to translate into Arabic from the English. Baytun, house. Wa means and. Kabirun or kabir is great, big, large. It can even mean old. Kelb, dog. Samin, fat. Bustan, garden. Karm, vineyard. Kitab, book. And Thawr, ox. طيب. The last exercise in this is to translate from English to Arabic. Number 1.
Lana Kalbun wa Lakum. Or no, Lahum Kalbun.
Yep. Lana kalbun walahum kalbun. Number 2.
Lahu Beitun Kabirun wa Laha Bustanun Kabirun.
نعم. لها. له بيت كبير ولها بستان كبير. Number 3.
Lahum Tharun Saminun wa Kalbun Saminun.
نعم. Excellent, man. Number 4.
Lahum Karmun Kabirun wa Lahuna Beitun Kabirun.
Exactly. لهم كرم كبير ولهن بيت كبير. Number 5.
Laki Kitabun wa Lana Kitabun.
ولنا كتاب. Exactly. Excellent. Number 6.
Laha Kitabun Kabirun wa Lakuna.
They, not you. They.
Lahuna Kitabun Kabirun
No. And number 7.
Lahuna, Kalbun, Saminun,
There you
Wa
go.
Li, Tharun, Saminun.
Exactly. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. And you're doing it just from looking here. You're not looking at your notes or anything like that. You're just doing it from the screen.
No, I put in the time.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. It's been a while since we had class, but that also gave us time. And we had things going on. You were busy. I was busy. The masjid was busy. But you can tell you put in the time and mashallah. So now the next lesson, we'll get some more letters. And then the next lesson after that is more exercises, more. We're going to get a little bit more vocabulary words with those new letters and just keep building on what we already have, especially that chart where we have li, laka, lucky, lahu, laha, like this. Lena, lakum, lakunna, lahum, lahunna. Building on that chart and keeping that I don't know what you want to call it, that chart, I guess. That's the most important thing for us right now. Everything else is vocabulary, but that chart is going to help us to build onto other things, inshallah ta'ala. And after some more practice, we'll get there. So whenever you're ready, not today, but if you want to start tomorrow or whatever date, then we'll go to lesson 6, which is new letters. And then the next lesson will be another lesson 4, new vocabulary and review. Sound good?
Sounds good. Inshallah.
You got any questions?
No, appreciate it.
Alhamdulillah. I didn't know how long this was going to take, so I set this up for just this, like this time. It could have taken us longer, but you did the homework like you said. You put in the work, and so it was easy for us. And you make this seem easy, and hopefully anybody that follows and looks at these videos will see how easy it is, and they'll follow in your footsteps.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Definitely a learning experience.
Yeah, hopefully. And then, like I said, I have other things after this that you can start to do on your own, at your own time, at your own pace. And I'll be here to answer your questions, like classes I already taught on a next level, but I taught like this and they're recorded. So you can, download the PDF and do the work. And then I'm here for anything you ever need as far as questions or want to know how it works.
Sounds good. Appreciate it.
All right, Abdullah, man. You see, just let me know when you're ready and we'll set up the next time, inshallah.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam.